Hi guys, welcome back to Taste Buds PH, and today we are going to cook spicy buffalo chicken wings. So let's start. First off, we're going to marinate our chicken, so we're gonna use about 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Then we're gonna use ground pepper, siguro mga about 1.5 tablespoon as well. So we just have to rub it. There we go. And to add some flavor, maglalagay din tayo ng chili powder. Right, so let's just make sure na evenly rubbed yung salt, pepper dun sa chicken. Okay, then for our breading, we're going to use 200 grams all-purpose flour. We also put there 100 grams cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons cayenne powder. Yeah, and then we're just really gonna mix it. Pagsama-samahin lang natin yung ating dry ingredients there. Mix it well. And now it's time for us to coat our chicken wings. So what you have to do, what I suggest is make sure na evenly coated yung chicken wings, and then you shake off yung mga excess flour. You can also try to press the chicken wings dun sa mixture natin. We'll just do it all, and then we're going to fry our chicken. So one tip there is that dapat yung oil natin is hot. A tip is kumuha kayo ng toothpick, dip it dun sa oil. Kapag nagbubble na siya, then it means that it's ready to fry. So yeah, lagay lang natin siya. Then per batch siguro I'm gonna put 6. Huwag kayo masyadong maglagay ng marami, just to make sure na makip yung temperature ng oil. So this for around 5 to 10 minutes. And so kapag golden brown na siya, tanggalin na natin siya sa oil. So I'd rather use paper towels just to drain the excess oil from the chicken. There we go. Right, now in a pan, slow heat lang dapat. So we're going to put, this is 100 grams butter. So tutunawin lang natin siya slowly. And then pag tunaw na siya, we're gonna add garlic. This is around 4 cloves garlic. I want to make it so garlicky, so yan. So let's just wait for maybe 2 minutes. If you want to make it golden brown, that's fine. So you can already add, this is sriracha sauce, 3/4 cup. Optional. You may also use your favorite hot sauce if you want, but sriracha has a different taste for me. So mas gusto ko siya than hot sauce for this one. So let's just mix it. Then we are going to put paprika. That's 1/2 teaspoon. If you would see, gaganda yung color nung mixture natin because of the paprika, and it adds some flavor. And we're going to put vinegar. That's 1/2 tablespoon. Lagay na rin natin yung ating sugar. That's 1 tablespoon. And cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. So para sa kompletong listahan ng ating ingredients, just check the description box. Alright, so kapag nakuha nyo na yung desired thickness nyo, laluto na yung cornstarch and the sugar melted, then we can already add our fried chicken wings dun sa ating sauce. So, haluin lang natin ng maigi. Make sure na well coated yung ating chicken wings. And then, you can already serve it. So sana guys, matry nyo tong recipe namin. This is our spicy garlic buffalo chicken wings. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and comment down below. So until our next video, let's all stay safe guys.